Hi everybody, today we are looking at the hub platform on JIT5. So if you log in and then scroll down to just too easy, click on there and then head into JIT5. And today we're going to have a little look at Turtle. Okay, so this is where we're going to give instructions as we go. So I'm going to choose the space background. And we've got a little rocket here and we're going to try and get the rocket to move around. Now you can put the pen down with this green button here. As you can see, it comes up in the instructions here, or you can put the pen up. I'm going to put the pen down so we can see where our rocket's going. It's helpful to do this without the help of the computer to start with, and see if you can give instructions as you're going around the room or something. Maybe put different things on the carpet to see if they can collect them so they can follow the instructions of forward, backwards, turn to the right and turn to the left. Okay, so here we go. If we press this arrow here, our rocket will move forward. Okay, if you press it again, it goes forward. Now if we want to turn it around, press this arrow button here and it will turn for us. So it'll turn right and then we can press forward again. Now you could have a go at making different pathways around all the planets in the sky, seeing if you could avoid them. Okay, just to practice all of these skills. Okay, now we could lift our pen up. Okay, turn it that way and send it forwards again, just to leave our line there. So you could start or you can move it as well. Look at that. Okay, so you could start it over here. Okay, now because you've put all of these instructions in, wherever you put it on the board, then it will follow that. Okay, so if I moved it over here, let's see if it hits any planets this time. Oh, it's managed to avoid them again. Okay, so have a play and see what you can do with your rocket. Good luck.